Solved problems. Bank reconciliation. Assorted problems. There are 4 assorted problems on bank reconciliation. Let us proceed to solve them one by one. Problem 1. In preparing the bank reconciliation for the month of August, Apex Company provided the following information. Balance per bank statement 1,805,000. Deposit in transit 325,000. Return of customer check for insufficient fund 60,000. Outstanding checks 275,000. Bank service charge for August 10,000. What is the adjusted cash in bank? Solution. Balance as per bank statement 1,805,000. Add deposit in transit 325,000. Add return of customer check for insufficient fund 60,000. Add outstanding checks 275,000 less bank service charge for the August minus 10,000. Adjusted cash in bank 2,455,000. Problem 2. In preparing the bank reconciliation for the month of December, Case Company provided the following data. Balance was for bank statement 3,800,000. Deposit in transit 520,000. Amount erroneously credited by bank to Case's account 40,000. Bank service charge for December 5,000. NSF check 50,000. Outstanding checks 675,000. Solution. Balance as per bank statement 3,800,000. Add a deposit in transit 520,000 less amount erroneously credited by bank to Case's account minus 40,000 less bank service charge for December minus 5,000. Add NSF check 50,000. Add outstanding checks 675,000. Adjusted cash in bank 5 million. Problem 3. Core Company provided the following data for the purpose of reconciling the cash balance per book with the balance per bank statement on December 31. Balance per book 850,000. Balance as per bank statement 2 million. Outstanding checks including certified check of 100,000, 500,000. Deposit in transit 200,000. December NSF checks for which 50,000 had been redeposited and cleared in December 27, 150,000. Erroneous credit to Core's account representing proceeds of loan granted to another company 300,000. Proceeds of note collected by bank for Core net of service charges 20,000 is 750,000. What amount should be reported as cash in bank at year end? Solution. Unreconciled balances. Cash book 850,000. December NSF check 150,000 minus 50,000 less 100,000. Proceeds of note collected by bank add 770,000. Net of service charge to 20,000 minus 20,000. Cash in bank at year end 1,500,000. Problem. Able Company received the bank statement for the month of March. However, the closing balance of account was unreadable. Attempts to contact the bank after hours did not secure the desired information. February 28 book balance 1,460,000. Note collected by bank 100,000. Interest earned on note 10,000. NSF check for customer 130,000. Bank service charge on NSF check 2,000. Other bank service charges 3,000. Outstanding checks 200,000. Deposit of February 28 placed in night depository 85,000. Check issued by Excel Company charged to Able's account 20,000. Solution. February 28 book balance 1,460,000. Note collected by bank 100,000. Interest earned on note 10,000. NSF check of customer minus 130,000. Bank service charges on NSF check minus 2,000. Other bank service charges minus 3,000. Outstanding checks minus 200,000. Deposit of February 28 placed in night depository minus 85,000. Check issued by Excel Company charged to Able's account 20,000. February 28 bank balance 1,170,000.
Recap.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.